Finally, Oraimo now has a long-lasting multi-charge 10,000 mAh power bank that has support for 20-watt fast charging. The new Oraimo PD Pro power bank is a must-have for everyone because you get to charge your devices faster, which gives you more time to be productive. You can get it at an affordable price of 7,200 Naira or $15 at the Oraimo website, which is an amazing value for money. It is called PD Pro because it supports the PD 3.0 and QC 3.0 fast charging protocols. Oraimo still maintains the portable and textured pattern design, which gives it a firm grip in the hands. Also, the slimmer and lightweight body makes it very comfortable to carry. The most important thing I love about this power bank is that you can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously at a fast charging speed, which is rare to find in this price range. I am happy to see the USB Type-C port and even glad that it can serve as both an input or output port depending on your connection. There is also a micro USB input port for those who have not yet upgraded to the more durable and more convenient USB Type-C package. Another cool thing I love about this power bank is the fact that it has a high usable battery capacity, thanks to the high power conversion efficiency of 98%. I actually tested this out with the 5000 mAh battery of the Infinix Note 11 Pro, and it was able to fully charge for almost 1.5 times, thereby making the usable battery capacity to be about 7250 mAh, which is pretty high for this price range. Nice job, Oraimo. I was finding it hard to believe that this 20-watt fast charging power bank is quite affordable, and as a tech reviewer, I decided to test out the accuracy of the charging speeds. I used the Infinix Note 11 Pro smartphone and the 5-star Ampere app for my test. The Infinix Note 11 Pro supports up to 33 watts fast charge, and charging directly from the electrical source, the current in the battery read about 5.6 amps, which means the charging voltage is about 5.9 volts. I went further to use this charging voltage to test this out with the 2 USB-A ports and then with the USB Type-C port. I got about 3 amps from all 3 ports, which gives a total power of about 18 watts. Although the USB Type-C port was supposed to give me a total of 20 watts according to Oraimo, but 18 watts is fine. For more proof, I compared the charging speeds of the power bank with an 18-watt wall charger using my 5000 mAh smartphones, and they both deliver the same charging time. It is quite cool that it shows an orange light, which indicates that the PD 3.0 or QC 3.0 fast charging protocols has been activated. I also love the orange color accent of the USB-A ports. Well, there's a little setback because when you use any 2 ports at a time, the charging power drops to a little above 10 watts each on both ports, and when you max out all 3 ports at the same time, the charging power further drops to about 7 watts each, which is still very commendable at this price point. Nice job, Oraimo. Like I said earlier, you can juice up the power bank from either the 18 watts USB Type-C input port or the 18 watts micro USB input port, depending on the cable you have at hand, which is a nice and convenient way to charge. I used the 33-watt fast charger and it took about 4 hours to fully charge the power bank. It seems like a long time, but it's actually fast when considering the large 10,000 mAh battery size and the fact that it saves you an hour from the common traditional 10-watt chargers. In conclusion, the Oraimo Toast 10 PD Pro 20-watt power bank is an amazingly fast charging power bank, and for the price of 7,200 Naira or $15, it is a good deal. There are lots of room for improvements in the next version, like no charging speed compromises when using all 3 ports at the same time. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Kindly like this video, share this video, and follow me for more reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. Remain humble and stay safe. Bye.